Scaredy's on the roof. Guys, Scaredy is literally on the roof. Scaredy, what are you doing up there? Scaredy. Avocado head! Wait, no, that one's not avocado head.
Get up.
Wait, why is avocado head up there?
That's not avocado head.
Oh, yeah. Dave! No, Scaredy! Oh, my God. Flower, shut up! Ah! They're on the roof! They're on the roof! They're on the roof! They're on the roof! Oh my God! Why are they going on the roof? Shut up, Flower! Oh my God! What? This is the most chaotic day! Oh my God! Boots, get off the roof! Get off the roof! Guys, get off the roof! Bro, what are they doing? Oh my God! That one's literally up there. Bro. Flower, shut up! Shh. Big chicken! But bro, why are they on the roof? Wait, Boots is on the roof again? Bro! Boots, Scaredy, and Pringle! Pringle, what are you doing up there? Same with you, Boots! Well, Scaredy's supposed to be up there.
But still, why are you up there?
Bro, wait, let's go and see the other side. Are they still up there?
Pringle is
Bro!
No, avocado.
Avocado head! I think the one we put in was avocado head.
Mm-hmm.
Avocado head! What are you doing up here? Oh my God, bro. I want to try and get her. Oh my God, do you see her?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Bro, where are you going?
I might be able to climb on the roof.
Where are you going? Jackson! Jackson!
He has that little thing on.
Big Jackson Adventures! Wait. Jackson, shut up. But what's that thing doing on the roof? Big Jackson Adventures with Big Fat Dog! What are you doing over here? Stop picking the roof! Big Jackson Adventures!